e don burst o. Dem say Ugep get monopoly. Dem say na only Ugep dey chop everything.
My people of Yako, in recent days, I have had troubling words to get monopoly. These are not words that build, but words that destroy and divide the people. Yes, you can call on the state government to sponsor any festival within Cross River State. But when you are stung, sows words of hatred, then you are already pouring sand into your soup. Let us speak truth. Ugep has never had a governor. Mkpani has produced one in the person of Clement Ebri. Go and ask him how far with developments in Mkpani. Ugep has never had or produced a senator, but Mkpani has one currently in the person of Ethan Jones. Go and ask him how markets with developments in Mkpani and Yako as a whole. In the 70s, Ugep had Dr. Okoy Aripo as a minister, while in 1980, Nko had Okoy Obuli as a minister, and recently Usani as another minister from Nko. Before, Ugep had Obeten Okon as House of Representative. Idomi had already produced Okoy, Lekam, and even went ahead to represent Cross River in Federal Character Commission. Not to mention Basiewa. He spent 3 tenures in the House of Representatives after being Speaker in the State House of Assembly. All his life, he has been with the government, feeding on the people tax. Ask him how far with developments in Ekori. Professor John Inyang served 8 years as a commissioner from Idomi, and also Honorable Amala from Idomi, also 8 years as commissioner. These men are not Ugep men. As a matter of fact, the only office an Ugep man has ever held is the House of Representatives, and that was Obeten. Understand this. In 1954, Ugep was gazetted as an urban town alongside towns like Abakaliki, Ikotekpene, Aba, and Onisha. Even if an Idomi man becomes a governor tomorrow, allocations will still come to Ugep. It is law, not monopoly. As for Leboku, it did not grow fast from government funding alone. Before the government came in, it has been fed. by MTN, Glo, First Bank, and aromatic snaps, and some private hands. Even without governments, Mr. and Miss Leboku began far back as 1988 and thrived for over a decade before the government got sponsorship in 1999 when Donald Duke became governor. So, call the governor's attention, promote your own festival, but do not insult the Ugep throne. For when you insult your brother's stool, you weaken your own foundation. Let truth be our yam and respect the palm oil that makes you sweet. Wise words does not shout, they settle in the stomach.
Abeg o, make una share this one before another person go twist am.